So it's the end of day one. What'd you think of the flight, Mark?
It's very nice, very relaxing, very late.
So Mark, summarize Florida in one sentence right now.
Florida in one sentence?
Yep.
It's hot, but you need a hoodie.
Hot, but you need a hoodie. It's funny to see Christmas stuff out and we're wearing shorts and a t-shirt. Haven't seen any alligators yet.
Saw a sweet park job though.
Just to give us a little sync point.
There's the start. We got a sweet setup.
Yeah,
I hear my voice.
I think it's pretty good. Wait, you just totally gave it up. You got this like all crinkled.
Well, anyway, yeah. So the weather's super nice. It's
hot and
we
humid.
say 83.
Hot and humid.
83 and it's dark.
Yeah.
Well, we can thank God for a safe ride over and
Yes.
everything went very good. Got a rental car, pretty sweet.
Toyota Corolla.
Got snacks. Fruit snacks, among other things. Peanut butter and jelly.
Snacks.
Get some fruit each day, get some vegetables each day. That was the fruit. And we don't have vegetables. So we're off the hook.
Yeah. Took a lot longer to get here than I thought. Not that there is a schedule or we're behind, but
We're behind.
we're behind. So
Is it orange season all the time? I don't know.
we'll have to deflect that question to Dad. I'm sure he's watching. Pause the video, ask Dad. I'm sure he can tell you.
It's always orange season.
Very, very true.
So on that note, I think we can end.
Yeah. Tourists.
Tourists. You could kind of just stretch and slouch. We had seats right next to each other. I didn't have anyone sitting next to me.
Ryan saw a cat.
Sounds like dinner. Boom. Snack.